This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shelley Schaefer. Mrs. Clean lives here. Immaculate 3-bedroom plus flex room home ready for new family. Popular Cayman Model offers open floor plan. Spacious kitchen with plenty of cabinet space. Large counter with eating bar. Formal separate dining room. Great room flows right from the kitchen/dining area. Perfect home for entertaining. Master bedroom holds king-side furniture and has room for sitting area. 2 additional bedrooms with full bath. Home has flex room for office, another bedroom, den or playroom. Half bath and hallway perfect for guests. Laundry room with utility sink and extra cabinets for storage. 2-car attached garage. Screen lanai overlooks water with fountain and palm trees. Community has sidewalks and activities for all lifestyles. Pickleball, tennis, fitness center, basketball courts, indoor and outdoor, playground, splash pool for kids, lap pool and community pool. Covered seated area around pool with comfy sitting and eating areas. Lifestyle director and property management on site. Food truck schedule and fun activities calendar located at community facility. Marina Bay offers a beautiful, fun and relaxed way of life. Seller providing 1-year home warranty from date of closing. Covers all appliances, hot water tank and air conditioner. For more information, review the details below.